by the microphone. Have you ever...
It's a new side.
No, GoPro sound is actually quite good. The only thing that they fall on is wind.
I've got wind.
So every single time I've taken GoPro footage in Europe, it's... And then now, the whole videos I've been doing, nothing. So yeah. We haven't made it far. We got to the castle, then we went to Joe's Juice, got a juice and a coffee, and now we're waiting for the changing of the guards. Having fun, Taffy?
Yes.
What's your favourite thing?
Where is the car? Now the boat trip.
What car?
How did you get here? Train?
Train, yeah.
Oh, so how do you get here? Train.
All set. Keep walking. Gå videre. Hallo! Gå videre. Fortsæt. Keep going. Keep walking. Gå videre.
Because he was only £5. And I put him in the pram and I'd go to walk up the hill and he'd slide all the way down the bottom of the pram because he was just too little and the pram was huge.
What do you think, Bimbley?
Boring.
What do you think? Alright, so we're at Copenhagen doing the changing of the guard. They're pretty bored at the moment. It was really like, whoa, we've got to see it, got to hype up, and then it's just like... So yeah. What'd you think, Kim? Was it entertaining for the first 10 seconds? That's how I feel. So yeah. And there they are. It's pretty
they're
cool.
playing, was it Murder Wink?
And yeah, that's it. But they're moving. They're going from booth to booth to booth, and then this guy's the next booth.
Please go back.
Out! Cut! Tiny little magazines.
Did they change?
Well, here comes one of the non-uniform guards. They call him Larry.
That's the IT man.
They're all so young. Alright, so we just left the Fam Bam at the castle. We're now heading towards to see Blak Key.
Heading to the airport.
And yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to see him. He's coming to the wedding. He's been traveling now for 36 hours.
Just to see us.
Just to come to the wedding and see us and then have a good holiday. So it's pretty cool that Blak Key is coming all the way.
Copenhagen with your Fam Bam tomorrow and today.
I know, supposedly there's a secret tonight, so I'm excited to find out about that secret.
It's no secret. We're picking up Blake.
So yeah, I'm excited.
Oh, jeez.
So yeah, and
I'm thirsty.
everything's going good. Yeah, we're thirsty. We're going to stop by the 7-Eleven around the corner. And
My man didn't buy enough water last night.
I bought 2 bottles. No, I bought 1 bottle, said the captain, and then she said 2 bottles, and I'm like, oh, well, I bought 1. But yeah, finding water was a bit of a pain, but I found it. Denmark's good. Everything about it. The only problem that sucks about it is they just do not have any good water.
No good tap
No,
water.
no good tap water. It's pretty tainted. But
the
everywhere in
7-Eleven waters are
everywhere.
really yummy.
Oh yeah, they are.
They're just a little bit pricey.
$6. Oops.
But
So,
hey,
yeah.
it's only a couple of days.
Only a couple of days. All right, so we're off now to the airport to see Blakey.
Yay!
Back down the main strip, which like takes 20 minutes to walk down,
That's alright.
and then that's it. And then on the thing, we're gonna see him at the gates. So.
Well, at the arrivals.
Hey,
We
dog.
can't get into the gate.
Yeah, at the arrivals.
At the arrivals.
Yeah.
At the arrivals. Hey, door.
So we're on the train. Coming to pick up you, Blakey.
Yeah, on our way.
Trying to have lunch,
Almost there.
drinking, seeing the Tristan Torso Junior.
It's beautiful.
So we're on our way now to get Blakey. He's at the airport. We're cruising along on the train.
Yeah. We're very close to the airport.
We're like one more stop and we're there. And then we've got to get to the gates, find you, annoy you, and take you everywhere.
Yeah.
Can we go?
So you excited?
She's excited.
Yes, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I'm just very busy planning weddings still.
Very
Everyone
busy.
contacts me. No one contacts Drew.
Everyone contacts at once. Or one day. Everyone wants to say hello.
Yep. Yep. Everyone. Dad wanted to know the extension cord. Celebrant is back in Sweden again. She's excited. Amanda is just helping me with everything.
Busy girl.
Yeah.
Busy girl. Anyway, hey dog.
Hey, Dora. Hey, Dora.
Go, 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 go. Okay. Up the station. Arrivals. We're coming for you, Blakey. You better be ready.
Oh, you better not be fully jet lagged.
You better not be fully jet. I want you to be like fully coherent and be like, whoa, yeah. And if you're not, oh, we'll take you out and get you drunk. I think it's gonna be fun though. Oh, roadblock. Oops. Skins. Oh, off you go.
I think he's in a rush.
I think he's in a rush. He's not going to get far. Jesus, they suck.
Jesus, you miss.
Shut up. You have great blowing skills.
Suck at drinking water, Tiny. Look, you have
Don't
water
touch
all
me.
in your beard now.
Go on.
Usually we come on the other side.
Yeah, we do. This time, actually, I come on this side when I'm by myself.
Oh, yeah?
You go on the other side when you're with yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they're still doing a lot of works on the airports. I've been here for yonks because we never came here last trip at all. We had no need to come here.
We didn't have no time, you mean? No time?
No time, no
Yeah.
need. We are at my favourite airport again. I love this airport. I think it's amazing. All right, arrivals are
Arrivals.
right there. They're right here. Should he be out by now? Yeah, he should
have
be.
landed.
He should have landed.
Here's the arrivals.
Yeah, it's right here. It comes out right in the middle.
Someone here before?
Dad,
Oh, yeah.
I used to sit up there and there. That was my little hidey deck. And arrivals come straight through here. That's it. See, oh, you used to be able to walk through here. Now you can't. You used to be able to walk through there.
Oh, yeah, no.
It's all gone now. Alright, let's find Blakey. Oh, I got a better idea.
Oh, yeah?
Come back with me. Should we have got him a Swedish flag?
Huh?
Should we have gotten him a Swedish flag?
A Swedish flag?
Yeah, here. This is right up the guts.
Nah.
We're waiting for you, Blakey. Hurry up.
You brought your Aussie flag.
Hurry up. Oh yeah, but the big one.
Yeah.
Alright,
wanna
hey
hold
door.
it up?
No. Hey door.
Hey,
Alright, so we're still waiting for Blakey. I've
Yeah.
made a sign Sarah's going to record. I've made a sign. This is what my sign says.
Oh, it doesn't show all of it.
Sort of. There you go.
There
That's
you
my
go.
sign. It says Luke Smith Blak.
Blanky.
It doesn't write correctly. So we're still waiting for him. He'll be here. Hopefully any minute now because I don't have much recording time. We should have brought an Australian flag or something.
You have your Australian shirt under.
I have my Australian shirt so I can show him Australia. But he'll be here any second unless he's detained. It is Blake. He'll be here. He'll be here soon. Second I put the camera down, he'll be here. You having fun, Bear?
Yes.
Hey, door.
Hey, dog. It takes a while.
We found Blanky. He's done a 36-hour flight? 27-hour flight?
I can't add up at the moment.
Something like that. He's been up for probably about 27 million days. We're now going to go into the city, dump all the stuff, get some food, and walk around and have a look at everything. Copenhagen is beautiful. Are you ready for cold? We're not used to cold. Australian cold is...
I spent the last week at home. It cooled off at home. So I spent the last week just doing singlets when I was at home to try and mini acclimatise.
sitting there going, fucking fuck. Aw. How's my grom?
Good.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Did you take it for a big ride?
I took it to DY
Oh, nice.
on Thursday night before I left.
Do a skid?
It's good that you
No.
keep running our vehicles.
Yes, thank you.
15 minutes.
Oh, well, go up there.
DY has a monorail in the airport.
Really? All right, Copenhagen. Hey, door.
Wait till the morning.
Wait till a little bit later
So
tonight. Or
we've just
until the sun goes
gotten
too
off
dark.
the train station and now we're heading down to CPH, Blake's Hotel, hostel, and dump our stuff, get some fika. I'm starving. Sarah's.
Always starving.
I'm
But
always
did you want your keksies?
Yes, I want chocolate. And then we're gonna go and start drinking heavily. From 7-Eleven. My first beer is gonna be from 7-Eleven.
Whatever.
And then my second beer is probably gonna be somewhere in the ground. But Blake's having fun. It's gonna be good. Hey, doll. Hey, doll.
Hey, door.